Inside advanced tourbillon watchmaking, extraordinary precision begins with components measured in fractions of a millimeter. Before machining begins, the plate must be positioned precisely so every later component aligns correctly. Micromachining creates the exact openings required to position the movement's future mechanical components. Every opening is inspected because microscopic positional errors can affect the entire mechanical assembly. Precision machining creates the geometry, while skilled hands refine the surfaces that machines cannot perfectly finish. Decorative finishing transforms functional metal into a surface worthy of a high-end mechanical movement. Before assembly, every finished surface must be completely clean because even tiny particles can disrupt precision mechanics. Dozens of microscopic parts must be identified, inspected, and organized before the tourbillon can be assembled. Each gear must have consistent teeth, because even microscopic variation can change the movement's timing. Assembly begins by positioning each wheel precisely against the jewels that support its rotation. The wheels must mesh smoothly, transferring energy through the movement with minimal friction. The bridge locks the wheel train into position while preserving the precise spacing needed for free movement. These microscopic screws secure the bridge without applying excessive force to the delicate movement. At this stage, the partially assembled train is checked for smooth rotation before more delicate parts are added. The regulating system is among the most delicate parts, controlling how the finished movement keeps time. The balance assembly must sit perfectly centered so its oscillation remains stable and predictable. Line regulation adjusts the mechanical timing while the watchmaker observes the balance's precise oscillation.
The tourbillon cage is engineered to rotate the regulating system continuously within the movement.
Installing the cage requires precise alignment because its pivots must rotate freely without unwanted friction. The bridge supports the rotating cage and establishes the exact geometry needed for reliable operation.
Now the defining mechanism comes alive, rotating the regulating assembly while the rest of the movement drives it.
The winding system transfers energy into the mainspring, providing the power that ultimately drives the movement. The mainspring barrel stores mechanical energy that will later flow through the movement's carefully arranged gear train. The barrel bridge holds the stored energy system securely while maintaining the precise alignment of its rotating parts. At this point, separate precision systems are becoming one coordinated mechanical movement. Specialized lubrication reduces friction at critical contact points, allowing the tiny mechanism to operate efficiently. With lubrication applied, the movement is checked for smooth operation before detailed regulation begins. Precision timing equipment measures the movement's rate so the watchmaker can make controlled final adjustments. Regulation is performed gradually, with each adjustment checked against measured mechanical performance. After regulation, the movement is measured again to confirm that the adjustment produced the intended mechanical response. Visual inspection confirms that both mechanical function and finishing quality meet the workshop's exacting standards. Final cleaning removes microscopic particles that could interfere with the movement after the watch is fully assembled. Behind every finished movement is a disciplined workshop where dozens of precision operations happen at carefully controlled stations. The precision finished case must be prepared just as carefully because it will protect the completed mechanical system. The completed movement is carefully seated inside its case, bringing the mechanical heart and finished exterior together. Microscopic fastening points secure the movement while preserving the alignment established during regulation.
The dial is aligned with the movement, so every visible opening and indication sits precisely where intended.
Each hand is pressed into position with controlled force, and check to ensure it moves freely without interference. Hand alignment must remain exact so the finished display stays precise, while the tourbillon remains unobstructed. The sapphire crystal is inspected for clarity and surface quality before sealing the completed watch. The crystal is seated evenly to protect the dial and preserve a clear view of the mechanical movement. The nearly finished watch receives another visual inspection before final functional testing begins. Final testing evaluates the completed movement under controlled conditions before the watch can leave production. The rotating cage and movement rate are monitored together to verify stable mechanical performance. Testing across positions helps reveal variations that may not appear when the watch remains completely stationary. Final exterior inspection checks every visible surface because luxury finishing leaves no room for careless defects. The final exterior assembly connects the completed case to its carefully finished strap or bracelet.
The final attachment must fit securely while preserving the refined proportions of the completed watch.
After final assembly, the exterior is carefully cleaned so the finished watch leaves the workshop in pristine condition. Through the sapphire crystal, the finished tourbillon reveals the mechanical precision hidden inside the watch. The final inspection confirms the movement, case, finishing, and visible mechanical details meet the required standard. Every completed watch is reviewed against its production and testing requirements before final release. From raw components to final inspection, every stage combines advanced equipment with extraordinary human precision. The finished timepiece now reveals the result of hundreds of precise operations performed by skilled specialists. The tourbillon's visible motion is the result of an intricate system working continuously beneath the finished dial. Inside the cage, the balance and escapement regulate the movement, while the entire assembly continuously rotates. Multiple layers of bridges and wheels are packed into a remarkably compact mechanical architecture. Even surfaces hidden beneath the dial receive careful finishing because craftsmanship extends far beyond what the wearer normally sees. At full scale, the finished watch combines precision engineering with the visual beauty of traditional mechanical craftsmanship. Behind one finished watch is an entire precision environment, where specialized artisans repeat this discipline every day. Each specialist focuses on a narrow part of the process, allowing extraordinary precision to be maintained throughout production.
At this scale, even a tiny adjustment requires controlled pressure, steady hands, and exceptional concentration.
After every adjustment, the mechanism is observed again to ensure the movement remains stable and properly synchronized. Once approved, finished movements move into controlled final assembly, where their mechanical precision becomes a complete timepiece. Final integration brings the precision movement together with the exterior components that define the finished watch. The final integration must preserve every alignment established during the movement's earlier precision assembly. Final fastening closes the case around the movement while maintaining the precision of the completed assembly. Final inspection examines every visible surface before the completed timepiece receives its last functional approval. The final timing check confirms that the completed watch performs as expected after full assembly. After passing final checks, the finished tourbillon is ready to leave the precision environment where it was created. Behind the polished exterior, hundreds of precisely finished parts work together as one living mechanical system. The final timepiece carries both advanced engineering and the human craftsmanship required to assemble it. What appears to be a small timepiece is the result of an entire ecosystem of precision, skill, and controlled manufacturing. From microscopic machining to final regulation, every detail has contributed to this extraordinary mechanical result. Every microscopic component, every adjustment, and every skilled hand comes together to create the finished tourbillon.